Hi everyone, I hope you are having a fabulous day. It is March 13th, a Saturday, and I got my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Duh, it's March 13th. You think I wouldn't forget the month, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, my granddaughter had plans with some friends this evening. And my daughter, they were going to get together with some friends. So I figured I would go ahead and film this opening and get it up as soon as I can next week. So let's go ahead and see what Ipsy has in store for me. So here is the Ipsy March Bag. It's more durable than the ones that have been issued in the past. Let me see if I can find the card first. This month's theme is Stronger Together. Like Cher and Dion, the red lipstick and a cat eye. Some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. And then, of course, just what's your power color. And with the Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses, we do not get the list of what we receive or the items we receive in the cards. You have to go to the website. All right, so the first item I am pulling out is a brush set, and it's from MOTD. I do believe I picked this, and we'll put it off to the side, and then I'll come back. I'll read Ipsy's website's description and price on the products. And then I have another brush, and this is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. It's groundbreaking anti-aging skincare infused brush hair. All right, we'll see. And then I have the brand Half Caked, and this is the Totally Tubular Mascara. I like the color of the, we'll see. Hopefully this is a nice mascara. We'll get there. Then there is the Air Repair, the Air Repair Complex Boosting, the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. And one more thing, and this is One Kind is the brand, and it's the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer with Squalene and rosehip oil. The add-ons that I got are, I picked up an eye pencil, and this is in the shade Lustro. It's got a nice little gleam to it. When I purchased this, just thinking of brightening up my eyes, especially at work, because I'm usually exhausted. I did pick up this blush Jewels, and this is the Eco Fabulous blush, and this is in the color Camellia. And when I was reading about it, I thought it was kind of a cool concept. So, not that I will use this tin, but this, once you're done with the blush, this pulls out. You can recycle it, throw it. It's better for the environment to throw away, and then you can reuse the tin. And then the color was kind of calling my name, if you will. And that's what that color looks like. Let's put it right next to So it's a really pretty peachy pink color. And then I did get a set of masks. This is from the Cream or the Creme, whatever, shop. The one is Peaches and Cream, which is supposed to rejuvenate and brighten signs of fatigue. And it also has Milk, which calms sensitive skin and corrects discoloration, which I've had a lot of lately. And then the second mask in this pack is the Blueberry Banana. And the blueberry combats fine lines and wrinkles. And banana exfoliates to brighten the skin. So I am going to go back to doing some Mask Mondays. And I figured that these would be a nice little start to them. So let's go over the items that I got. Okay, the first item I pulled out was this MOTD in a blush blending eye brush set. Wow. This has a retail value of $58. You get 5 brushes. And then the description says, whether you want to create a dramatic eye look or something softer, this pro quality brush set has you covered. Not only are these pearly pink brushes gorgeous, they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly what it does and how to use it. It's vegan and cruelty free. And the brand MOTD, Makeup of the Day. The cosmetics brushes support a beginner's journey on becoming a makeup artist and inspire you to step outside your comfort zone. Now, it's great and everything that they put down what the brushes are designed to do. However, if you've watched any of my eye looks, I use brushes in whatever way I want. So just because it might say a crease brush, I could use it for an outer corner. It just depends. So the hairs are the bristles are nice and soft. So I will use these in an upcoming eye look, like soon. The next item, the Heavenly Skin Skin Smoothing Complexion brush. I have a love-hate with it brushes. I have several of them in my collection, and eventually they start shedding, and I mean after a couple of uses. So I don't typically buy too many cosmetic brushes anymore. This retails for $48. Let me read the description. This innovative angled brush instantly improves the look of your skin upon application and delivers beautiful makeup results every time. It's all thanks to the skin smoothing bristles that are infused with anti-aging collagen, silk, peptides, niacin, and antioxidants. Use it to buff your favorite skincare and makeup products onto your skin using circular motions. It's cruelty-free. I will use it. I don't know if I'll use it for makeup, though. I can't get it open. So here is what it looks like out of its little container. The bristles are extremely soft. It feels very nice. So I will use this and I will let you know what I think of it. The half-caked, totally tubular mascara. The shade is The Heights. Retails for $14. That's reasonable. In my opinion, that's a reasonable price mascara. You get 8.5 fluid ounces. Nope, you get 8.5 milliliters. This tubing mascara coats each and every lash for a voluminous, falsie-like effect without clumping or smearing. And it's easy to remove too. Just moisten your fingertips with water and simply smooth the tubes away from your lashes until all product has been removed. Now, I know about the tube mascaras or tubular or whatever, the tube mascaras, and I am excited to try this. I really am. It just says to use, gently work the wand from the base of your lashes to the tips, add more coats for more length and volume. And this is also vegan and cruelty-free. This Florida-based indie beauty brand is committed to creating easy-to-use, on-trend beauty products. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wand because I am going to use this. So here is what that wand looks like. And like I said, the shade is the height. So I'll be using this in a upcoming video real soon. Next is the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer. I also picked this, it says, which makes sense. I did not like any of the choices this month for Ipsy, and that's becoming more of a recurrent theme with me, so I'm not so sure. So this is 59 mils, almost 2 ounces, and it's $23. It says no matter your skin type, this hydrates and revitalizes even the driest and dullest of complexions. A combo of antioxidants like cloudberry seed oil and green tea rejuvenate stressed out skin. It says that if you need a little extra TLC, create a sleep mask. Apply a thick layer before bedtime. Dream of having a flawless complexion, then you'll wake up, glow up. It has hyaluronic acid and it adds tons of moisture without feeling greasy. Air Repair Skincare combines clean chemistry and healing botanicals to create products that combat the effects of everyday environmental stressors. I am going to put the Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizer in a future giveaway, especially since I got 2 different moisturizers. I have tried Air Repair products before and they are very good. I do want to try out this new brand, One Kind. I don't know if it's a new brand. It's a new brand to me, if you know what I mean. So, moving on. This is the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer, Squalene, and Rosehip Oil. It's 1.7 ounces. This retails for $38. This is made with repairing rosehip oil, anti-inflammatory chamomile, and moisturizing squalene. This night cream works its magic while you snooze, so you can wake up to healthier, more youthful looking skin. It says to massage it onto dry skin as the last step in your nightly skincare routine. This is vegan and cruelty-free and all natural. One Kind's motto is luxurious skincare made accessible for all. So it's got the little safety seal on it, which I may or may not be able to open. Okay, got it. It's nice. It's very creamy. It's not too thin, but not too thick. And it has a scent, more of like a clean scent, not overbearing. I am excited to try this. I will use this tonight before I go to bed. All right, so let's see, what all did we get? You know, it felt like something was leaking in my bag. A couple of my products were a little not greasy, I don't want to say greasy. So I am going to be notifying Ipsy because I noticed a little bit of moisturizer up here. Look at this. I'm going to push on the tube. Okay, it's not supposed to come out here. So somehow or other that seal got broke or uncrimped. That is frustrating. That's a big blunder, because one, it can change how this moisturizer works, getting air to it. So that's frustrating, and I will keep you guys up to date as to what Ipsy says. But you saw it. Be nice to have a month where nothing goes wrong with any of the products. So here are the products that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March. Am I overly impressed? No. I'm intrigued by the IT Cosmetics brush. I am excited for the tubular mascara. I was a little more excited for this. And maybe they'll replace it. Who knows? And then I am excited to try these new makeup brushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this unbagging, I guess is what you would call it. Like I said, this will go into a future giveaway. Let me just squeeze on it, make sure nothing's going to come out on any other ends. It does have a safety seal. This will go into a future giveaway. And then I will use the other 4 products. And I will do a follow-up video within the next couple of weeks and let you know what I think of these items. I want to thank you again for spending some time with me. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos and comment and even give the thumbs up. It really does brighten my day, and it makes me smile. And I am so blessed to have such a wonderful YouTube family. And thank you to each and every one of you. If you wouldn't mind, would you please go ahead and hit that thumbs up button? It does help me out, and I would really appreciate it. And let's see. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, evening, or night. Thank you again for clicking on and watching this video and spending some time with me today. If you're new here, there's a subscribe button down below if you'd like to join this wonderful YouTube family. You won't be disappointed. I have the best. I'm telling you. Anyway, you guys, stay safe, stay healthy, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. Much love.